Imagine for a moment if Apple released their next iPhone or some other gadget without pushing out any targeted advertising. Zero, zilch, nada. Now imagine if they didn't announce it on their website. They didn't mention it at tech conferences. They didn't create any TV, radio, magazine, or web advertising around it. They didn't send out press releases. They didn't blog about it. They didn't talk about it on social media. In short, imagine if Apple didn't do all the things they typically do to drum up excitement and sales for their gadgets. Instead, the marketing director's genius idea is to go into the rainforests of Brazil to find remote villages. You know, the kind of place where native people have had hardly any contact with the outside world. And that's where Apple sets up a little kiosk and tries to make a profit with the new iPhone. Come on now, that's totally ridiculous, right? And yet, even as you're watching this, you may be thinking about your own traffic stats. So maybe you're not sitting in the Brazilian rainforest trying to drum up business with folks who don't know the difference between an iPhone and a bar of soap. But you're not exactly thrilled with your traffic numbers either. That's a clue that your advertising isn't working for you. You want more traffic, more subscribers, more customers, more cash in the bank, right? You know it's possible. You've seen the big guys and gals in your niche pull down some pretty big traffic numbers. You've heard about their huge mailing lists. You've even seen their busy blogs and social media accounts. And yeah, maybe you even felt a twinge of envy when it seemed like everyone else is getting so much traffic. Your competitors are getting standing room only crowds to their sites, and you feel like you're doing business out of an abandoned warehouse. Or maybe you've seen surges to your own traffic stats here and there. Maybe someone linked to your site once, or you managed to get a good affiliate on board. Perhaps even Google might have smiled down on you for a while. I'm going to guess you probably remember thinking how great it would be if you woke up every day to these sorts of traffic surges, right? You add people to your mailing list, you get people to your sales page, your inbox lights up with sales notifications. The truth is, everything just snaps into place when you get enough traffic. But right now, getting that traffic feels like the missing link. You know it's possible, you know you deserve it, and you may even have some sense of how to get it. But it just hasn't happened yet, and you're feeling frustrated. The good news is that feeling of frustration is about to go away. And that's because you're about to get your hands on a 10-video training program that shows you the most effective ways to bring traffic to your site. It doesn't matter what niche you're targeting. It doesn't matter what you're selling. It doesn't even matter whether you're selling your own products or promoting affiliate offers. These strategies simply work. So listen, 2 of the top marketers who use these strategies every day to build their multi-million-dollar business put this course together, so you know this stuff works. These are the same strategies the top marketers in your niche are using to pull down the big traffic numbers, and they'll work like gangbusters for you too. So let me give you a quick rundown of what you'll discover in this jam-packed training course. You'll find out about the problem of confusing traffic quantity with traffic quality. Okay, lots of people blow hot air about their traffic numbers, but how shocked would you be to discover some of these guys are flipping burgers at Mickey D's because their traffic stats don't match their bank accounts? It's true, and this course will set you straight. You'll find out the single biggest traffic mistake that leaves you utterly frustrated with your results and wondering where you went wrong. This will be the aha moment that turns your entire business around so you can start getting the traffic results that you want. You'll also find out about massive traffic made easy and how you also can get a horde of eager affiliates promoting your products all over the web. Listen, a lot of vendors just toss their offers up on JVZoo and call it a day. Then they wonder why their affiliate program is about as busy as a hot chocolate stand in the desert. Okay, you'll find out how the top vendors create affiliate programs that everyone wants to be a part of. Plus, you'll find out how to get the top super affiliates in your niche driving traffic to your site and slipping money into your pocket day in and day out. If you have your own product, you don't want to miss this training session. Another thing you'll love learning about is a clever way to siphon traffic from Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg has traffic and money coming out of his ears. Seriously, now it's time for you to redirect some of these resources your way. Am I right? Of course. So listen, nearly everyone sets up Facebook pages. Quite a few marketers use Facebook's paid advertising platform. But so many people overlook this third strategy, and yet it's so powerful it can attract thousands of eager customers to you. You'll find out what it is when you watch this video training course. You'll also discover a surprising way to get your buzz on. And no, it's not what you're thinking. It's not that kind of buzz. I'm talking about how to get everyone in your niche absolutely buzzing and raving about your content, your ideas, business, and products. You'll get more than your 15 minutes of fame when you do viral marketing the right way. You'll discover a simple 4-step process for kicking off a viral campaign. Plus, you'll find out an incredibly clever way to get more people than ever sharing your content. These are the same viral marketing secrets savvy marketers use to generate hundreds of thousands or even millions of views, likes, comments, and shares. Just imagine your results when you put them to work for you. Another thing I'll show you how to use are the top paid advertising opportunities. And this is where you can get a lot of traffic really fast, okay? Free traffic is great, but it's not truly free. No matter how you get your traffic, you're always paying or trading something like your time. And your time is your most limited and most valuable asset, so you don't want to squander it. That's why you'll find out 2 of the best ways to buy the traffic you need. It's fast, it's targeted, and it really frees up your time. Now, here's something else you'll love. You'll discover how to optimize your existing traffic. So many marketers let good traffic just slip through the cracks. It's totally wasted. It's like pouring a glass of liquid gold down the drain. Most marketers swear up and down that they're not wasting their traffic, but then they're totally blown away when I show them how much more money they could actually be making. So let's be sure you're not flushing any gold away. You'll discover 3 surprising ways you can optimize your existing traffic and turn it into even more traffic, more sales, more cash in the bank. These strategies will make a huge difference to your business this year, no doubt about it. Order now using the link on this page to see for yourself. But that's not all you'll discover how to do in this training course. Another little known tactic you'll learn about is how to turn simple words into super profitable traffic. It's no secret that well-written content can drive traffic and even kickstart a huge viral effect. But did you know you can get a ton of traffic by asking others to guest blog on your site? Think about that for just a second. You get free content, you get free traffic, and you'll learn how to take advantage of this surprisingly powerful strategy in this eye-opening video. You'll also find out the proven strategies for getting traffic by getting involved. You may ask, getting involved in what? That's what you'll find out when you watch this video, and I think you'll be surprised. I tell you what, it sounds so simple, and yet it's a great way to get a ton of traffic. You can literally unleash this strategy right now, like in 10 minutes, and see a fresh batch of visitors landing on your virtual doorstep almost instantly. It's crazy, and you'll get all the details in this course. Another thing I want to show you is a gold mine of a traffic source that most online marketers completely ignore. What is it? It's offline advertising. And look, don't knock it till you try it. Inside this video, you'll find out the 3 best ways to reach your target market offline. These work so well, you'll wish you had started doing them the day you launched your business. You'll also find out how to supercharge your promos. Most marketers start getting a little bit of traffic and then they're happy. This video shows you 2 killer tricks to take it to the next level. You'll find out how to protect yourself from losing traffic. Plus, you'll find out how to make more money for every ad you push out. It's so simple, yet so effective. So listen, getting targeted traffic in front of your offers, your blog posts, and lead pages doesn't have to be a mystery anymore. It doesn't have to be a frustrating, hair-pulling experience. All you have to do is click the buy link on this page, and you'll get instant access to all 10 of these training videos. Whether you're selling ebooks, software, garden spades, black socks, computer supplies, plastic vomit, t-shirts, services, or anything else under the sun, this course will show you how to get the traffic you need so you can start making the sales you deserve. Best of all, this training program is an awesome deal. If these strategies bring in just one good customer to you, then you'll easily recoup your investment. And there's no question that these strategies can bring in the traffic. The millionaire marketers in your niche are already using them, and now you can too. But there's a catch. I can't promise this offer will still be here if you come back later, so you need to click the link below right now to lock in the low price. Look, if you keep doing the same things you're doing now, you're going to get the same disappointing results. Einstein called it insanity to keep doing the same things and expecting different results. I know you're not insane because you wouldn't be able to get to this website wearing a straitjacket, right? And I know you're interested in this course, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. So do yourself and your business a big favor right now by hitting the order link below this video. And do it now so you can lock in the lowest price, because you'll kick yourself if you miss out on these surefire strategies for getting more traffic.